Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and don't miss any other amazing video like this one. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about birthday decoration, different styles, different color combination and different sizes. It's a very beautiful theme and color combinations. Black and white theme so amazing and beautiful. Cake decoration idea can elevate any celebration. Cake decoration idea transfers space into bright celebration. I hope you enjoy my most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. All the designs are very unique. If you new my channel and don't miss any other amazing video like this one, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. All the designs are very unique and trading. All the designs are very beautiful. If you new my channel and don't miss any other amazing video like this one, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am sure birthday decoration idea with black and white theme from this video. If you like any designs and take screenshot of it. And also do try my amazing cake recipe, and they are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you like any designs and if you new my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also please make sure press the bell icon if you don't miss any other amazing video and any other designs like this one. I hope you like this decoration with themed and color combination. Whether simple or beautiful designs showcase love and celebration. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas and cake decoration ideas, please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.